Eat my hat, decoding English idioms. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into an interesting English idiom, eat my hat. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning, but you'll also learn how to use it in your conversations. So, let's get started. Eat my hat. At first glance, this phrase might make you wonder, why would anyone want to eat their hat? Well, English idioms often have a figurative meaning that's different from the literal interpretation of the words. When taken literally, eat means to consume food. My hat refers to the piece of clothing you wear on your head. However, when these words are combined, they take on a whole new meaning. In the world of English idioms, eat my hat is an expression of disbelief. When someone says this, they mean that they are so sure about something that if they're wrong, they do something as ridiculous as eating their hat. For instance, if someone says, "If that's true, I'll eat my hat," they're expressing doubt or surprise about the statement they just heard. To help you grasp this idiom, here are some examples. 1. If he manages to finish that entire pizza by himself, I'll eat my hat. 2. She promised she would be on time. If she's late again, I'll eat my hat. 3. If it rains today after such a sunny forecast, I'll eat my hat. The phrase adds a humorous touch, emphasizing the speaker's confidence or skepticism about a situation. It's always fun to know where idioms come from. The exact origin of eat my hat is unclear, but it has been used for centuries to convey surprise or disbelief. Some believe it might have come from the idea that eating one's hat would be an uncomfortable, impossible, or absurd action, making it a fitting metaphor for expressing skepticism. There you have it. Now, the next time you hear someone use the phrase, eat my hat, you'll know exactly what they mean. And who knows? Maybe you'll find a perfect moment to use it in your own conversations. Thanks for joining us today, and keep exploring the colorful world of English idioms. Until next time,